Please start. Hey! So we're finally going to get some stuff done to the 32 today. We're on our way to Misfire Motorsports to get the OEM shifter put in. The shifter in this thing is absolutely trash. Like, it gets stuck in gears, it's not easy to shift. It's just overall disgusting to drive with. So the first thing I ever did for the car was buy a new dash and buy this kind of shifter replacement. So that includes kind of the whole shifter assembly plus the alloy plate that sits on the bottom, plus the gasket, all that type of stuff. So we're going to put that in today.
Phillips had screws instead of 10mm bolts.
Jesus. It's ghetto.
And it was only barely.
Barely grabbing.
What's blue tack?
Yeah, nice. Nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, nice. Some more wiring. Well, we know whoever ran this before was like heaps good with wiring, so.
Yeah, mint.
Yeah, look at that. Perfect. OEM, bro. Oh, look at that.
Race car.
Yeah, weight reduction.
Oh, they're nice and tight too. Well, that one is.
Well, yeah, but the last one was 1 out of 4 too, so the next two could be loose as. It's not that bad.
Are you serious?
What's the condition like?
It's got a lot of wear on the edges of it. Look at it.
Yeah, shit.
Race car.
Yeah. But I mean, at least it'll be easy to know if the box is good or not.
Yeah. I like all this.
Yeah, factory.
Yeah, pull them out. I'll pull what I can from up here.
Mm-hmm.
And then drop the cross member down a little bit and then pull, there should be one there and then 2 further up.
Yeah, right.
I think your gearbox mount's trash as well.
Why? Oh, yep, shocker. What? Yeah. Japanese goodness, man.
But
I've got heaps. I've got heaps of rust holes.
There's like one right there.
There's one there.
No, maybe that was it.
Come on, bro. This is my good fucking shirt, bro.
Oh, it's not.
It is.
You don't own a good shirt. Not even that much different. Like, it's not even that bad.
That's fucking mint, bro.
Bro, that's proper caked on too.
Yeah, you know how to get that off?
What?
Oven cleaner. Cool.
Oh, he looks heaps better. OEM.
Still looks like not mine.
You're really giving yourself a good name, eh?
Misfire Motorsports. I'm pretty sure I have one, and so does Crystal.
What?
Misfire.
No, I don't.
Not yet.
Yeah, but your car has to run for it to have a misfire.
I like things.
Oh, now you gotta put the fucker back in.
I don't know.
Cool.
Let's get the urethane out, bro. Fixed.
That's what they did to the sunroof. Yeah.
Part of the
Everything looks good wet. Everything's better wet.
Is that true, Crystal?
I mean, it's not entirely wrong.
This conversation ended when I walked off, alright?
Fuck, he's got,
Right. Wouldn't believe it.
got a little bit left.
Genuine Nissan, bro.
Jesus. Look at that. Nothing but OEM, bro.
I'll be honest with you, bro. I don't do OEM, bro. I modify stuff, not put stuff back to standard because I'm an adult.
What a loser.
Bro, look at the condition of it. You felt the shifter.
It sounds like a
So,
new problem.
so have you. You know how fucked the shifter was?
To be honest with you,
Yeah.
how's the auto, bro? I'm an adult.
Yeah, true, fair enough. So it's crystals. Yeah, I know.
Cute.
You grow up, you fucking dog.
I remember when I was like, drive this after I towed the Beetle with it.
And I was like, ugh.
You're like, Jesus. Then Barker gets in, he's like, there's nothing wrong with the shifter. You're like, go to first. Then second, wiggle it,
Now
go back
neutral.
to first. And he's like, fuck.
Now neutral. Oh, fuck.
You're good, man.
OEM plus. Plus OEM sealer. What a shitbox. Thanks, Wade. So out of his RB25 stuff.
What's that? Is that Hailey?
Just the ego
Right
again.
here. Look. Broken.
Can you not?
Broken. Where else? Where else is broken? Oh. Broken. You do. Broken. Yeah, good job. Where else? Oh, look. This one. Broken. Where is it broken? Look, this one.
Which one wasn't tight?
I still got time that one up.
Yeah, right. Spit on it a little bit.
Bruh, have a feel, bro. Have a feel. It's like a normal car. What the fuck?
Holy fuck. What the fuck? That's what it's meant to feel like.
Feels heaps better.
The throw's a bit longer.
Yeah, that's what the fucking shit. I hate you sometimes, eh? They tighten.
Way better, eh?
Ooh.
Feels like a normal car. It's reverse.
Oh, even reverse. Whoa. That's fucking luxury, that's what that is.
What's the chance that it lines up first go? Zach, I'm a fucking god.
Fuck off, you lined up first hit.
100% I did.
It's around the wrong way, you fucking
I'm
toss.
fucking with you.
You're a fucking toss.
So I'm on my way back from the shop now. The shifter proved to be a little bit more irritating than we originally thought. There's a couple of issues that kind of we figured out along the way eventually with the help of Kudos Motorsports. Zach kind of figured out that the short shifter actually had a spacer on it, which is why the OEM shifter wasn't quite sitting in the gearbox how it's meant to. But that took us a little bit longer than expected to figure out. We kind of both just blanked on it, to be honest with you. But I'm happy it's all done. It feels miles better. It's already way, way, way better to drive. And I'm sure I'll drive it way more because of that. The only thing next to do is the Hikers lockout. So we'll go to Misfire soon and get that sorted. And then after that, I'm really not too sure what I'm gonna do. But I'm sure something will get done. But definitely the next thing is Hikers lockout.